welcome back to my channel, and I'm excited to share with you my spring favorites. Now, this is general. This is like little bits of stuff that I've been loving this spring constantly, okay, since like I think April or even before April until this May. I'm constantly using this, and I'm excited to share some of these items to you guys. Now, the first one is, let's go with the lips. Okay, so it's very hot here actually in the tropical countries. Here in the Philippines, it's really hot. So I've been loving this, which is the tinted balm and rich vitamins. This is from the shop in Shopee, GREENIKA. It's GREENIKA shades, and this is the rosy pink. It's actually the color that I have right now, but we could just color it like could swatch like that. It's really pigmented, but this is, I use this literally for everything. Like I put it as my blush like that. Okay, we're doing blusher now. Okay, I think I put too much. And then I actually use it as an eyeshadow too. And then I also use it on my lips. So yeah. So there. So my lips are now moisturized. This is really great, and I just found this. It's very there's a lot of nutrients. It contains shea butter, Vico castor oil, PEG 40, vitamin C, calamansi, vitamin E, Saligard fragrance. So it's 5 ml, and this will expire 2026. So this is very organic. You could read GREENIKA, the shop. It's really great. There are a lot of products there that are really great, but so far this is my favorite there that I've discovered. Now, going to being hot, you know, really need to freshen up. I still stick to this. I'm not sure if it's still available. I'll try to link it. It's just the CATHY doll in oil control film pack. So this is just a translucent powder. So I just like put that in my face, and it really freshens up your face, especially right now. It's really hot, and although I don't put like makeup on, this really feels good with removing the oils. Some people do use blotting paper, but I do like the feeling of having a powder finish. So yeah, I love this. Now the next one is actually rose water, but I don't have the rose water here. I can't find the bottle that I have, but I will link down below what rose water bottle that I'm using, or like the specific brand. But I really like it. And then next one is mascara. I love this Making Pretty, or M King Pretty Living Colorfully mascara. This is in the shade brown. It's just a really thin wand, but it actually lengthens the the hair on my lashes. It's really great. Part of the eyes that I really like is this eyeliner, which is in Bobani, and it's like this really light brown. So whatever the color is here, that's what the color comes out of. It's really subtle, which is, that's why I like it on this spring. It's just like a subtle look. Doesn't really have a lot of changes to your makeup, so it's really nice because all I do is like put sunscreen and then this one and then some mascara. It's really great, and it really shapens your eyes and kind of wakes up. And then other than that is for the brows, which is, I love this one. This is the shade I'm using right now. This is in number, this is in dark brown 03 from Drawing Eyebrow. This one, I will try to also link where I got this from. This is really nice, and it is affordable, but it's really helpful. I love using eyeliner. I do recommend this. Sometimes I actually like gifting eyeliners to people just so that it can actually help them awaken their eyes when you're like on a go-to and you want to go out, want to have a little bit of a fresh face. And so that's really great. Now, with the makeup. So aside from makeup, and although I don't use much makeup, I actually found this, which is really affordable, although I'm not sure if it's still available. It's a pack of makeup brushes. Now, I know this is affordable. Like, I think this is less than 50 pesos, but it's super soft. Like, the bristles are super soft, and They are so nice on the face. It doesn't feel like it's scratching my face. Although the past brushes that I had before were like scratching my face. But I haven't fully tested this out like whole day and with makeup. I only use this for the eyes. But it's really nice, and it's compact and it's small. There's a lot of pieces for that price. But this one I got in Lazada. I don't know if I'll be able to find this in Shopee, but I honestly like it. It's really worth the price. Now, also in spring or lately, I've been loving florals, but specifically blue flowers in a white background. And so, because of my addiction to Joshua Lu, and that's a YouTuber, an influencer, she's amazing. I love her videos. They're just so calming actually. I've been obsessed with her bags, her like travel pouches that are also white and in blue florals. And they're specifically, I found them because she got it from Amazon Spain, and I found it in Shopee, which is amazing. I got it, so here it is. And not only that, I got it the pencil case shape and also this one. So this one, I had to find this all in like a one shop. I'm not sure if they're still all available in one shop, but I will link down below alternatives. So what other Shopee shops are they available? But honestly, they are not as affordable as I would say. I mean, one of it, this one is the 101, and then this one is almost 200. In some shops it's already 200, but they are so beautiful quality. They're really thick and they are so nice. And look at the color, look at the pattern, that florals. I'm so obsessed with it. It's so cute. There's a theme on my spring collection. Obviously, evidently there's a lot of blues, but yeah, I don't know why, I just really like it. It's really beautiful. I would really recommend it. And coming to the blues, I'm obsessed with another one that's close to this pattern, not specifically this, but white and blue pattern. It's this one. Okay, it's like the Dior Toilette de Jouy pattern. It's so beautiful. Like seriously. Okay, I searched that the meaning of it is actually the meaning of a design in Italy. Yeah, I think Italy. That is garden, like old garden, vintage looking, in these kind of what's this, textile. It's really nice, and I found this also in Shopee. I will link it also. It's beautiful. I love specifically this color combo. It's so light and fresh, and during the spring, especially here, it's not really cold here. This is not see-through. I really like it. I like pairing it also with just a solid shirt and then the shorts. And this one actually comes in pairs, but the shirt one is in the laundry, so I can't really show it to you, but it's still the same. I love it. Look at the beautiful colors. It's fresh. You don't need to iron it, because like even if you crumple it like that, it's not gonna crumple. That's what I love also about this quality of material. And it's affordable for like 200, or I actually saw it also in 175, but I didn't get to see that. I wasn't able to see that ahead when I ordered this already. So yeah, this is amazing. As you can see, the pattern I'm very obsessed with. But yeah, they're great. Like, I mean, the material is great. I don't need to iron it. That's something that I like finding also, things that are less maintenance to keep. So yeah, this is such a beautiful color. I love it. It's nice in color. And then the final one, sometimes I actually paired it with this because it's so cute, is an obsession of mine in color. And also the bag is the Tiffany blue classic flap. Now, I love this this bag because the color is so beautiful. I mean, look, it just goes. It goes also with white. It goes with what I'm wearing right now. I mean, it's amazing. I love it so much. The style, the look, everything about it is so nice and classic, and it's easy to pair with. It's like a really nice color. Oh, yeah, I actually used this the other day, so this is where my glasses, I put it there. So yeah, I love it, and so much that I love this color that I also specifically had to get a card holder that's almost a bit darker. pattern to the Tiffany blue. I love it. I just put it here so that if I'm gonna use this bag, I just put my cards here. But yeah, that is what I'm obsessed with right now. Oh, finally, part of the hotness level here is of course pairing this all with one shoe that it's just my go-to. It's just everything to me. Is my Celine in what's this, the beige pattern color here that I got for Christmas. It's really nice. As you can see, I really used it a lot. I will wash it, like, and it's lucky enough I can wash this, so I really like it. It's so light on the feet and it's so comfortable, even if it doesn't have the memory foam, but they already managed to create a foam for themselves that's really really comfortable and really really nice to feel to the feet. It's not tiring when you wear it all day. So yeah, I love it. And yeah, that's about it on this favorite, my spring favorites. I really really like them. I use them constantly, especially the lip colors and also the eye makeup. They're my go-to. They're literally just on my table. I'm not changing them. I'm not removing them from anywhere. They're just there set up so that I could just go to whenever I go out. They're amazing, and yeah, I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe down below. Don't forget to hit the ring bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. Oh, by the way, I'll try to link everything that I have that are still available in the link in the description box. Bye.